Thank you for watching again. Appreciate your time. So, real quick tip. So, 2000 Civic rack and pinion. When you're taking it apart, sorry about the light. So when you're taking it apart, so the new racks always come with O-rings. You know. Now, if your rack doesn't have an O-ring in here, when you pull it out, either that side or the side of, so sometimes these fittings will have them. Okay, there's no O-ring here at all, and it wasn't leaking from there. So do not put those O-rings in. If you're and make sure they didn't fall on the floor, or they're on the other end of what you're tied into. So in this case, it's this. So no O-ring on the new one. No O-ring there. When you pop this one off, if it's not on there already, and it's not on the other side, in this case, it would be the pressure line, which I don't think it is. I'm almost positive. If it is, it is. Then use it. But if it's not, you know, how about we just check? Screw it. We don't play guessing games here. So there it is. No O-ring. Sorry about the light again. Okay. Do not put those O-rings in. You will be leaking. Okay, just a quick tip. Just because they provide it doesn't mean you need to use it. All right, so Remand is good. Never had a problem with this company. Good old Gin Automotive out of Roselle, New Jersey. 25 years, pretty much almost never had a problem. Starters, axles, alternators, racks, drive shafts as well. Okay, get yourself lined up in the middle. You have your mark that lines up with this, like so. Just give a little turn, you know, get it straight, and obviously see, kind of you can measure with your hand or the distance, how far out you are with both sides. You know, we're pretty much in the middle, and that's it. And quick tip: leave this out also. When you put the new one in, leave this out. Just put it in when it's up there because it gives you a lot more space. And technically, you have to remove the inner tie rod. Technically, sometimes you get away with it. I don't know. In this case, I'm probably gonna have to remove this one. So, no big deal. All right. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time.